Good morning, student. This is CR sir. Now I am going to explain 5th September first shift question with answers. Already I discussed 15 questions. This is 16th question. Now see the question. There are three terms. First three terms are in AP series. Then find the sixth term. So we want the sixth term means we need to find the theta value first. Then we will get that first term, second term already 14. So third term we need to find. Right. Three terms are in AP. A comma B comma C are in AP series means what is the condition? 2B is equal to A plus C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Now 2 into B, 2 into 14 plus, is equal to A plus C. 3 power 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 plus 3 power 4 minus 2 sine 2 theta. This is 28. This is equal to, this is, we can write 3 power 2 sine 2 theta into 3 power minus 1 plus here 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 2 sine 2 theta. Okay. Let 3 power 2 sine 2 theta take some constant p. This is assumption only. Now substitute. 28 is equal to, this is p. 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3 plus 3 power 4, 81 divided by 3 minus 2 sine 2 theta. 3 plus 2, 3 power 2 sine 2 theta means p. If it is there minus, we get 1 by p. Okay. Now take the LCM. What we get? 28, that is equal to p square plus 243 divided by 3p. Now same those value in left hand side, we get like this. P square 2 into 83. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 84. 84p. And again send right hand side, we get minus 84p plus 243 is equal to 0. Now split into factors. This is x minus 3 into x minus 81 is equal to 0. That means x value is 3. This is not x, sorry, p now. P minus 3, p minus 81. Then p is equal to 3r 81. What we have to take? P means 3 power 2 sine 2 theta. That is equal to 3. That is 1. And 3 power 2 sine 2 theta. 81. 81 means 3 power 4. So here 2 sine 2 theta, that is equal to 1. Sine 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here 2 sine 2 theta, that is equal to 4. Sine 2 theta is 2. So this is not exist because sine 2 theta value lies between minus 1 to 1. Here we got sine 2 theta value 1 by 2. Substitute that. Sine 2 theta is 1 by 2. Then what we get first term A? Sine 2 theta 1 by 2. We get only 3. 3 or 1? 3 power 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 3 power 0, 1. Then what is B? B is already, we know that, 14. Then what is C? 2 sine 2 theta value is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 cube. 3 cube means 27. So A, B, C, these are first three terms. Now 1, 14, 27, and so on. These are in AP series. What they are asking, sixth term, T6. T6 is equal to A plus N minus 1, that is 5 into D. D means difference, 14 minus 1, 13. 13 5s are 65 plus 1, 66. So answer is 66. Next. So I'm going to next question. The number of four-letter words, while each containing two alike and two different. Two letters are similar, two letters are different. First, in the given word, how many repeated letters are there? We need to identify. S, Y, L, L, A, B, U, S. Okay, two S's and two L's. These are repeated. Okay, now out of these two, we want to select two letters. Out of two, I am taken any one of the type. Or suppose I am taken S, or you can take L also, no problem. So if you are taken S, remaining what are the terms? Y, L, A, B, U. So we need two more terms. Out of 5 can be selected 2. What you are selected for? Suppose I am selected LB. Now these four letters can be arranged in 4 factorial divided by, but two letters are similar, by 2 factorial. Okay, 2C1 means 2, 5C2 means 10, 4 factorial, 24 by 2, that is 12. So what is the answer? 240. So this is a very easy question. Okay, I'm going to next question. See here, from a survey, 73% like coffee, 65% like tea, and 55% like both. Then how many persons do not like both the tea and coffee? Here, this is one, this is another one, this is total. Okay, now this is sample space. Yes, now this is A, this is B. Okay, A means tea, B means coffee. Okay, tea, how many persons like? 65%. So B means you can take tea, 65%. 73% like coffee, but both like 55%. But what they are asking, do not like both tea and coffee. So we need to find outside the part. We need to find outside the part. Now, what is this total part? That means A union B we need. So finally I'm writing here N of A, that is 73%. N of B, 65%. N of A intersection B, 55%. Now we need to find N of A union B. What is the formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Okay, what is N of A value? 73. N of B, 65 minus 55. Total how much? 65 minus 55. There is 10. 10 plus 73, 83. But we need to find N of A complement intersection B complement. That means what I am shaded here, that we need to find. That means total N of S minus N of A union B. N of S means that is 100% total, 100 minus N of A intersection B, 83%. Now, remaining what is that? 17% people don't like both tea and coffee. So this is also easy question. Next, I am going to see the question. 19th one. What they are given? If volume of parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are A bar, B bar, C bar is 158 cube units, then, so here volume of parallelepiped, what is the formula? Mod box ABC, that is equal to how much given? 158. This is a positive only now. Box ABC means apply the modulus 1, 1, n, 2, 4, n, 1, n, 3. That is equal to 158. Now expand this 1 into 12 minus n square minus 1 into 6 minus n plus n into 2n minus 5. That is equal to 0. Now calculate this. What we get? And I am written mistake here. This is not plus, minus. So here we get minus. Now this is plus. Now this is plus, remaining same. Now do the calculation. Finally, what we get? So that is 3n square minus 5n minus 152. 152? No. And I'm written mistake here. This is 158 now. Then we get 152, right? So split into factors. Split into factors. We get n minus 8 into 3n plus 19 is equal to 0. Here we get n value is 8 and n value is minus 19 by 3. So here first and second options clearly wrong. Now observe that A vector n value 8 I am going to substitute. Substitute I plus j plus 8k. Now I am going to substitute in B. B what happened? See, 2i plus 4j minus 8k. Similarly, substitute in C also. C bar is equal to I plus 8j plus 3k. Now observe the options. A dot C. Do the dot product between A and C. 1 plus 8 plus 24. Totally 33. But here 17 given. This is the wrong answer. Now go to the B dot C. B dot C. 2, 32 minus 24. 34 minus 24. That is 10. So fourth option is correct. If B dot C also not coincide means, then you will take n value minus 19 by 3 and substitute, find A dot C and B dot C. You will get the answer. Students, I think all of you understood now. Right, still now, who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.